Oh, well, hello there. I didn't see you. You're probably wondering why I'm in pajamas. Well, it's every year about this time, right around New Year's, I get asked the question, how do I get my donation to the church before the end of the year? Well, this year, so that you don't have to show up at my house and see me like this at 11:55, we've made a little video for you. Hope you enjoy. The easiest way for you to give is by going to christianfellowship.com, clicking on End of Year Giving image on the homepage. Next, you can click on Give Online, the blue button, to enter your donation amount and other information to make your gift official. If you'd rather give by check, you can always leave your gift in the church's office drop box by 8 p.m. on New Year's Eve. For those looking for other strategic ways to give at the end of the year, please be sure to check out christianfellowship.com, and we have a strategic year-end giving resource for you. And for all other questions on how to give, you can check out christianfellowship.com, or you can contact the church's office at office@christianfellowship.com. Thank you so much for all of your generosity to Christian Fellowship and all of our ministries. We wish you a happy new year.